Yeah, it looks like old Doug's cornered the market on carrots.
You got Doug here. What's the mark? You got Doug here. Cheetah and Sahara Square. You got Doug here. Got it. Serious? Yeah, I know they're fast. I can hit them. Listen, I hit a tiny little otter through the open window of a moving car. Yeah, I'll buzz you when it's done. Or you'll see it on the news, you know, whichever comes first.
Hey, Doc, open up. We've got your latte.
All right, we'll turn Jess here. I'm leaving now. Out.
Hey, get back here.
Whatever you're thinking, stop thinking it.
Carrots.
You better have the extra foam this time.
What are you doing? You just trapped us in here.
We need to get this evidence to the YTP.
Okay, great. There it is. Got it.
No, all of it.
Wait, what? Oh, great. You're a conductor now, huh? Hey, listen, it would take a miracle to get this rust bucket going. Well, now you little act.
We kind of got a situation at the last. It's just gonna work.
Mission accomplished. Would it be premature for me to do a little victory toot-toot?
All right, 1 toot toot.
Well, I can cross that off the bucket list. I may have to rescind that victory toot-toot. Maybe that's just hail. Back off! No! Incoming!
Speed up, Nick! Speed up!
There's another train coming!
Trust me,